All right, you'll see I'm sitting in the office right now, not in the shop. I am cutting a video, but I felt like I needed to do a prelude to this. So, yeah, this is what happens whenever I don't have the camera and the old people want to film a how-to video. So they're going to show you how to change, or attempt to show you how to change a catalytic converter on a Pontiac G6. I'll put a link up here for some catalytic converters on Amazon that are cheap. That's what we put on it, or they put on it. But hopefully it helps somebody out, but it's actually more just entertaining than anything. But enjoy.
All right. So you got the O2 sensor off, and you didn't burn yourself too bad?
Burn myself too bad. Right there. Got it. One out.
Where's the rear one?
Oh, right here. Right there's the rear. Now I can't take that guy apart. I just got to reach right there and get the connector apart.
Cool.
The distributor's off?
Yep, so we dug a hole here at the back of the engine because the top two bolts for that converter are on the top and they're unreachable from the bottom. So we're going in from the top. Cut a hole through the heart to dig to the anus. So Kyle, what are we into now? Oh, there's another piece missing. The alternator is missing. Yeah, so we had to take the alternator out to try to get enough leverage to get to these top bolts. Now, Superman is going to use his mighty powers.
Right.
Access to these top two bolts sucks.
That's terrible. Yes.
Maybe we can double wrench it or something. All right, so take the alternator off and the spark plug wires and take the AC lines loose. You can pull them away from the firewall. So that's where we are so far. Kyle, where are we at?
Sir. So we do have everything out, but we had to take the alternator out. We had to getting the top bolts out was a pain. In fact, I'm not strong enough. Brian had to do it.
Owie.
We had broke a ratchet on getting the lower one out, which was bad. Sorry. But now
once we got it loose, we couldn't even get it out, so we had to cut it in half and take it out, the top half out the top.
Right. So we had to cut the converter and take it out of the top where the alternator
And you got to kind of fish it around the bracketry, but it'll come out the top, and then the rest dropped out the bottom. But the new one is smaller, correct?
That's correct.
At least that's what he tells me.
That is right.
But I'm already seeing something I don't like on the new one.
What's that?
This one had fixed bolts on the top, so all we had to do was fight the nuts. This one is going to be nut and bolt all the way. But it is definitely smaller in girth. So, after we get done fighting and cussing and saying bad words, we'll turn the video back on and show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, there is a second problem with this particular vehicle. Someone did an aftermarket muffler. So they cut the flange that the catalytic converter is supposed to tie into off. So now we got to figure out how to weld the flange on with my broken welder. All right, so Kyle, were we wrong?
We were wrong.
We were wrong. It's not oblong like the other one, but
it's literally just
the sway bar's in the way. So, oh, did you get it? You got it.
Hey!
Hulk.
That's how you do it.
Hulk smash. So it's a very tight fit between the heat shield and the sway bar. But the sway bar doesn't look like it comes out very easily either.
Oh, shit.
So good, we didn't have to take it out.
That's right.
So here's our cut exhaust.
So let's actually, so it goes there.
So that goes, oh, look, we're in trouble anyway.
Are you kidding me?
It's all right. Just run it open, and you'll just have to take it to a muffler shop, and they'll have to make a little 6-inch piece. Okay. Since you're not deleting anything, they shouldn't have any problem with that whatsoever.
Find it. Did you hear it fall on the ground? Oh yeah, it is. Right? Oh, damn it. Go. I think go the other direction. Go to the left of the car, the driver's side. The other driver's side. Yeah. Now somewhere around there-ish, maybe.
Yes. I hear it.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Where's my laser?
On the shelf there.
Maybe you can use the magnet to put it in.
Maybe. Maybe not. So I kind of got to get the gasket.
Yeah, well, it looks good. Oh, quickly. You got it.
Okay, now
you need the nut. The gasket's in.
I got the nut. So let it rest, Joe, a little bit, so the bolt has some tension on it, so I can let go of the bolt.
Yeah, that's not working. Push up harder. That might work.
Okay.
Yeah, the lack of the captured nuts or the studs is crappy.
It's really bad.
It was $300 for both.
For what?
Oh. O'Reilly's was $1,000 a piece.
For the converters?
Amazon was $300 for both.
So you're saying we should go ahead and just fight a couple bolts?
You guys are doing the work. It's worth it for me.
So see if you can't push up on it. I need the bolt to come through just a little bit more. I think I got it anyway. Can you see the bottom one? The bottom hole? Maybe?
He's pinned pretty hard. I didn't give him a lot of room.
Okay.
Bottom hole right here, I can see, yeah.
Is it possible you can reach it?
Yeah.
All right, let me give you a...
You gonna give him a... No, well, you want me to raise it up and give you a little more room?
No, I think I can reach it.
Skinny people.
Everybody's gonna get what they wanted out of it.
All right, so we managed to fish it in there. Kyle, how tight did we get it?
So since I don't know the torque spec, I just kind of went, "Ugh," and it's tight enough. I think that's good.
It's exhaust. It's not structural.
Exhaust. That's right. It's not like a main suspension component. So
You mean like a wheel hub?
like a wheel hub.
Yeah, those are important.
That's battery right now.
Huh?
The light is out because we disconnected the battery. Probably we put back on.
Yep. In case you're wondering, that was the last thing they recorded. That's where the video stopped. If you made it this far, I commend you. Hopefully you got some sort of entertainment out of that. Maybe it helped you a little bit. Looks like you got to pull the alternator, the spark plugs, and the AC lines off of the cab in order to get the rear one done. The front one's very, very easy. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you thought it was funny. If not, sorry for wasting your time.